జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. 380th నామం from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam from 41st sloka. Om Karanaya Namaha. Ho Srimannarayana. Karanam means the means to attain any work. So for all of us, the main work is to attain you. That way, you are the means for all of us to attain you. Ho Srimannarayana. So also Karanam means Indriyam, organ. We have 5 sensory organs, 5 physical organs. All these 10 organs were created by you, and the power, the ability to all these organs is also given by you. That way, you are main organ for all of us. Ho Srimannarayana. You are the means for all of us to attain you. You are the main organ for all of us to attain you. Ho Srimannarayana. I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Karanaya Namaha. Om Karanaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Sita, Rama, Lakshmana, 3 of them spent 10 years in different ashramas of different munis. And again, finally, 3 of them came back to Sutikshna Mahamuni ashramam. They spent few days in Sutikshna Mahamuni ashramam, and then one day Ramachandra Swami is asking Sutikshna Mahamuni, "O Mahamune, I have heard that Agastya Mahamuni is also living somewhere in this forest, but I don't see his ashramam anywhere. Natu janami tam desam. I could not find Agastya Mahamuni's ashramam in this forest. O Sutikshna Mahamune, if you permit us, we would like to go to Agastyam Abhigacheyam, Agastya Mahamuni ashramam, and also if you permit us, we would like to go there and Abhivadayitum Munim, wanted to do Namaskaram to Agastya Mahamuni, and if you permit us, we would like to go there and Susrusheyam Api Svayam. I would like to serve Agastya Mahamuni with my own hands. Ho Sutikshna Mahamune, it has been my most greatest wish to serve Agastya Mahamuni. Manoratho Mahan Hrudi me parivartate. I have been wanting to serve Agastya Mahamuni. O Sutikshna Mahamune, if you permit us, we would like to go to Agastya Mahamuni ashramam. Like that, when Sri Ramachandra Swami asked Sutikshna Mahamuni, then Sutikshna Mahamuni saying that, "Oh Rama, in fact, I wanted to ask you to go to Agastya Mahamuni. Now you yourself is asking that, so I am very happy with that. You can definitely go to Agastya Mahamuni. Agastya Mahamuni ashram is about 4 miles away from here. Agastya Bhraturashramaha. If you keep going southern side about 4 miles, then you will first get Agastya Bhraturashramaha, Agastya's brother's ashramam. That is Sudarsana Mahamuni ashramam. You stay there for 1 day, and then again in the next day you can keep on going in the same southern side, Dakshinam Disamastaya. If you go 1 more mile, you will find Agastya Mahamuni ashramam. Oh Rama, Agastya Mahamuni ashramam will be very, very beautiful. You can definitely stay there and serve Agastya Mahamuni. Rama, because it has been a great wish for you to go and serve Agastya Mahamuni, why are you delaying? You can start now itself. Like that, when Sutikshna Mahamuni said, Sita Rama Lakshmana did namaskaram to Sutikshna Mahamuni and started traveling from there and reached Sudarsana Mahamuni ashramam. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 41st sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Udbhavaha Kshobhano Devaha Sri Garbhaha Parameswaraha Karanam Karanam Karta Vikarta Gahano Guhaha. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Om Karanaya Namaha. Om Karanaya Namaha. Om Karanaya Namaha.